Are composite shingles a good option for roof replacement? A lot of homeowners assume all shingles are basically the same, but that's not always true. Composite shingles are a good option for roof replacement because they're more durable than traditional asphalt shingles. Composite shingles are designed to handle weather exposure and typically last longer, making them a strong choice for homeowners looking for long-term performance. Between composite and asphalt, composite materials offer added durability while still giving your home a clean, attractive look. In Ridgefield, where roofs deal with changing seasons and harsh weather, choosing a more durable roofing material can help homeowners feel more confident about their investment. If you're considering roof installation and want a dependable option for your home, contact Mighty Dog Roofing of Fairfield County to learn more about composite shingles and your replacement options.